Is your Snapchat stubbornly refusing to upload your snaps, leaving you and your friends hanging? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's check your internet connection. Jump into your phone's settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. If you are, try turning Wi-Fi off and then back on again. If Wi-Fi isn't the issue, check your mobile data. Ensure mobile data is turned on, especially if you're not near a Wi-Fi hotspot. Next, let's clear Snapchat's cache. Head back to your settings and find Apps or Application Manager. The name varies depending on your phone. Scroll through the list and tap on Snapchat. Now, find and tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Here's the magic button. Tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your snaps or account information. Alright, now open Snapchat and try sending your snap again. Hopefully that fixed the problem. If you are still having issues, try updating the app or restarting your phone.